Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your child's work to their ClassDojo portfolio. The first thing you want to make sure to do when we're looking at this view from a laptop or Chromebook is make sure that you're on the child's or the student's ClassDojo page. So you'll see under your account, you'll see the parents and then you'll see the students. So make sure you're on the student page. Okay, let's get started. So once you're on the student page, you'll see the name, you'll see how many points and what class the child is in, and then you'll see their stories from the teacher, from administration, all right here. We're going to, in this video, make sure we're talking about the portfolio. So we're going to click on portfolio. And on portfolio, you'll see a to-do list if the child's teacher has created one. And then you'll see my portfolio, where you'll see the student's work right in here, all the uploaded work. So we're going to add an uploaded work to this portfolio, and we're going to click the blue and white plus sign. It's going to ask, what do you want to create? And it's however you took the child's work. So if it's a photo, a video, draw, file, journal. So if you took a picture of it using the laptop or Chromebook, that's the one you would choose. If it's a file on the laptop or Chromebook, that's the one you'll choose. Photo seems to be easier on a mobile device. And file seems to be the easiest to use for a laptop or a Chromebook. So that's the one we're going to pick for now. We're going to upload a file. So you can either upload an image of the child's work, or if it's in a document, you would pick file. So we're going to click image for this one, and it'll say drop files here, paste or browse. You can browse the files, and let's just pick one. I'm going to open it, and you'll upload the file. Upload complete. And you can add whatever you want to this page that your child has completed. You can add a little caption to it. Maybe this is where you would put the date or what lesson it was for, what class it was for. Right here, you can also write in on the sheet if you'd like. If your child wants to add something, maybe they forgot something, they could add it in here. You can add in text. You can erase if you made a mistake. You can add shapes. So that's what you can do right here. And then you can either save it or save it if you want to add things later, or you can hand it in if you're ready. So let's hand it in, and it'll show up here, right with all the other uploaded work. Now this one looks a little different, has a little time, little clock on the side here. That means it's pending. What pending means is that the teacher needs to accept the work before it goes fully into the portfolio. But once that work is accepted, it will no longer look like this. It'll look like the rest of them. And that is how you upload a file. If you uploaded a photo, it'll ask you to allow the camera, and you could use the work that way. You can hold it up to the camera and do it that way as well. If we were to do file, it would ask you the same thing as before. And there you go. That is how you upload your child's work to their ClassDojo portfolio using a laptop or Chromebook. Okay, have a great day. Bye.